Hey you guys, what is up? It is Drew and we're back with another video. Today we are going to be removing some of these old plastics and replacing them with brand new ones. So right now I just have the new box here. To correct, I don't think all the plastics are in here. I believe the front fork plastics will be coming in tomorrow. They're shipped separately, but right here with is black because my brother just picked up this Honda CRF250R. It's a 05 and he's really into black motorcycles. That's his ATV over there, all blacked out. We got some new graphics too, but those are going to be coming in probably in the next video. So I think, yeah, this is the tail. So as you can see, like I said, it's an 05, has a couple cosmetic things that aren't as glamorous, let's just say, like the seat's a little ripped, things like that. So we got a new seat cover and all that coming in. But let's just check out this plastic. Look at this tail section. Yeah, everything looks like it's gonna match up perfectly. Shouldn't be too hard, just a couple 8mm bolts, 10mm bolts, and it honestly should be a really clean and quick install. So let me just get back into unboxing some of these other pieces. Let's get started with this. I think this would probably be the easiest piece to remove. Okay. Let's just switch over to the 8s. Oh yeah, let's move this seat while we're at it. Let's put this down over here. Let's go on to the other side. Start to remove some of these pieces. Now, one thing that I really like about the 250R here is it looks like it already comes with a nice stainless steel pipe. That bluing was from just regular heat, which I don't believe it's titanium. I might be wrong. I don't know if it came stock with a titanium pipe. I highly doubt it. More than likely it's probably a stainless steel pipe, and it looks like they probably try to blue it a little bit. The only reason why I don't think that it's a titanium pipe or anything like that aftermarket wise is just because it still has the stock muffler and looks exactly kind of like my 450, except the header pipe is not as beautiful as that one. I mean, look at that, almost looks like titanium just because of the bluing, but like I said, I'm not sure if it is titanium. Okay, I don't know why that one was so easy. It's probably just the angle that I'm in. It's pretty hard to see and line it up completely straight up. Don't lose that. Okay, I'm probably gonna need that piece. So I can't wait till the decals or the stickers come in, because right now it's just gonna essentially be an all black dirt bike, which, I mean, some people might find cool. I personally don't find dirt bikes that are just like a plain color necessarily cool. Kind of like them a little more crazy like that, mostly because things like my street bikes are generally the most clean bikes, so I like to go a little crazy with dirt bikes, but that's just me. Alright, so here we go, guys. We pretty much got the whole bike stripped down and got all the plastics removed. And I don't know about you guys, but just seeing all this whole mud and everything, even though I cleaned it once we got it, it was a little muddy, but just taking off the plastics, you can see a lot of mud. And I know a lot of people are gonna say like, yeah, it's a dirt bike, who cares? But I mean, if I'm gonna be putting on new plastics, might as well give it a nice wash. So I'm just gonna do that real quick.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients.
Alright, so let's just dry off this bike. Not gonna lie, not really the biggest fan of this whole aftermarket headlight setup, even though I know the R's never came with the headlight. But hopefully we can get some plates on this bike and make it into like a supermoto someday. That would be a really fun wheelie machine. But if that's ever the case, this thing for sure is going, and replacing it for something better like a light bar, or I don't know. We'll see what we can find for it.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Alright, so let's go with the first piece. I would say the tail would be one of the first places I would start. And tighten it first. Later on, I'll probably replace or transfer this taillight section. Not sure how much I like it, but we'll see what we do with it. Might just end up reusing it. Let's try to get like a screwdriver or something to pry this thing out. Okay. Perfect. Now just set these bolts here. God, I love dirt bikes because you could be so rough on them and nothing's gonna happen to them. Alright, let's kind of do that same process. Over here you can see it a little better. Oh yeah, I could push that in. Alright, there we go. Now we're picking up the pace. Boop. Not too tight. Don't want a stripper, because I ain't got any ones on me. Okay. And I already scratched it. Alright. It's whatever. We got plastic. What is it? Decals, stickers, decals, whatever they're called. Already coming in. Top one was a 10. Get it from the back. That's what she said. I don't want to get this one too tight yet, just because I don't have the seat on. But just like that. And not sure yet how much I like the black on a Honda, but I mean, might look good. Might look good. Not gonna say anything yet. Alright, now last piece to the puzzle, at least for today. Probably tomorrow when the other pieces, fork guard covers, come in, I'll install those and add it to this video. So I'm just gonna use this tool. With the final touch right here, even though the seat is pretty ugly, but I mean, it'll do for right now. Don't worry, we got a nice new seat, so it's not gonna look like dog shit for right now. Well, it's gonna look like dog shit for right now, but not forever. So let's try to put this bolt through, and I just hope that these plastics line up, because so far everything has been fitting nice, except now I'm a little worried. But let's see if we can get it through. Keep it going. Oh, there she goes. Fitting just like a glove. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna look good with the black seat, with the red hits, because it's got that, you know, just red coolant hose piping, whatever it's called. Let's see. Oh, I'm an idiot. Let's try to see if I can. Okay, there we go. There's a bee there. Please don't sting me. Boop. I don't got a torque wrench, so I just do it on my own. Oh god, please don't sting me. Please don't sting me. I did nothing to you. I'm sorry I threw a taco over there. Boop. Okay. Wow, okay, yeah, so hopefully when these pieces come in tomorrow, I'll replace them. Should be really quick. Yeah, this headlight really has to go. These, don't know, I really like them because, you know, they protect, but I'm not the biggest fan of the white now that everything's black and red. So yeah, this kind of sticks out like a sore thumb now. Same thing with these, but they're on the inside, no one really sees them, but still kind of need those black or red, something like that along those lines. But wow, okay, yeah, the plastics really definitely changed it up. Okay, I kind of like it. Like I said, I like dirt bikes to stick out more, but I mean, black doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all, especially with the right graphics, the right, you know, color combo with the red. It's kind of got some already some anodized red. I don't know what they're called, beauty bolts, whatever. Same thing with here. Already has like the anodized red hits, so yeah, no, should probably get a little bit more of those. Maybe like a shift lever and a rear brake in anodized red, and yeah, it would look really good. Would match with the black and red seat with that black and red anodized gas cap. I don't know, yeah, she definitely looks good. Let's fire her up, see what she sounds like with a stock exhaust. Okay, one and a two and a. Let me just double check, make sure all the plastics. Whew. Yeah, alright you guys, so looks like that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Like I said, those other plastic pieces might come in tomorrow, so I'll probably add that into this video. So if you know, you see earlier in the video that those plastic pieces were installed in black, and you see this part of the video right now with that, is because I'm pre-recording it. So yeah, I got a little bit of smoke just with the water drying up. Anyways, so yeah guys, let me know what else you guys want to see to this 250 build. You know, essentially you're trying to make it into like a track piece, you know, something to, you know, really learn on. Because like I said, I got the 450. Wouldn't recommend trying to learn how to ride a dirt bike on a 450. If you wanted like a supermoto over there, perfect, yeah, 450. But if you want a dirt bike, definitely go the 250 route. Power's way more manageable. Can't stress that enough. Well, yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see on this bike, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.